Hello everyone. This is the 24th video of our YouTube video series, and in this video we will discuss about how we can show the full project details through ID. Okay. In our previous video we will discuss about how we can show the full job detail through ID, and that previous video in 22nd video we discuss about how we can show the project on our freelancer model. Okay. So in this video here you can see I already run my project, and if you click on explore job, here you can see that this is the job list, and whenever you click on a view and apply, there will be a interface open. On that interface we can easily show the all kind of detail. Okay, we can easily see that details. Okay, so this kind of similar thing we can perform in our explore freelancing project. Okay, so whenever I'm just clicking on a view and apply, there will be a full information open about that particular project, which kind of company that project is posted by. So this kind of things we fix in this video. Okay, so let's start this video. So first thing we have to do, we have to load that particular page so we can show that particular thing on that page. Okay, so we have to come to our project. Here you can say I already come to my project. Then we have to come to our freelancer controller. Okay, here you can see page.controller, then freelancer controller, and we have to create the mapping for load that particular page. Okay, so we have to come to the bottom side, and here we have to simply create particular method. Okay, so I'm just writing here public string view. Okay, view all project details. Okay, then curly braces, and above of that we have to write the mapping. So I'm just using request mapping annotation, request mapping. In that request mapping I'm just writing view and apply project. I simply copy this mapping from here and come to the return, and I'm just writing a return, this kind of similar thing. So whenever someone call the view and apply project, it will redirect on this page. So we have to simply create that page in our pages folder. So click on that, then new, then other, then JSP, then simply paste this mapping here. Okay, click on a finish. Then we have to check the mapping is correct or not. That is about the view and apply project. So for that we have to come to the explore project.jsp, and here we have to see the button that is the here you can see this is a button that is a view and apply. So we have to check that the mapping that is view and apply project. So I simply change that mapping. Okay, I'm just writing the mapping here, view and apply project. Okay, I just simply temporarily I'm just removing this ID from here, and let's check it out now. Our page is loading or not. Okay, so simply come to our browser. Here you can see and refresh this, and here you can see our page is successfully loaded here. Now we have to click on a view on apply. Here you can see view and apply project. Click on that, and here you can see it will redirect us on that particular page. Okay, so now we have to load here the template so we can show the details clearly. So we have to come to our drive. For this kind of template you can check out the description, then pages, then here is the page that is view and apply project.jsp. click on that. I click on download. Okay, let's wait some time, and we have to copy this entire code of that view and apply JSP and paste on our page. Okay, so I'm just checking it is downloaded or not. Here you can see view and apply. Open that, and we have to copy this entire code and paste on our view and apply project.jsp. Simply select this and paste this, and here you can see there is a for each loop apply here. So I'm just simply remove this for each loop from here so we can easily see that page. Okay, so where is the starting of for each loop? Here you can see this one, and let's see which kind of interface load here. So refresh this page, and here you can see the page is successfully loaded here. That is the project organization, project skills. This is the development cost of that particular project, and this is the apply section. We will discuss this apply section in our upcoming video. Okay, so here we have to show that all kind of details. Okay, So for that, just temporary, I'm just removing this all kind of things from here. Okay, so before that, we just writing the method so we can get this all kind of data. Okay, so for that we have to come to a controller. Okay, and before that you have to remember one thing, we have to show that particular data through the ID. So first thing, we have to get that ID on our view and apply page. Okay, so for that you have to come to our view and apply project.jsp. Okay, no, you have to come to the explore project.jsp, and here you can see the button that is view and apply, and here you have to pass that particular ID, and that ID we already taken in our project DAO. Here you can see, I'm just showing you, I'm just getting that particular ID here. Okay, select star from post project, and here you can see I'm just set and get that particular ID here, so I can easily get that. So slash, then dollar, then curly braces, e.id, and I check it out our ID is coming here or not. Simply refresh this page and click on view and apply, and here you can see the left bottom side, view and apply project 1, view and apply project 2, and view and apply project 3. Similar things here you can see in our database 1 2 3. So now our ID is coming here. So now we have to declare the method and we have to call that particular method through our freelancer controller. This kind of things we have to do here. So here you can see this one is a mapping for that view and apply project button. So here you can see we have to simply write here, before of our mapping we have to write a value is equal to this all kind of things, then comma, then method, then request method dot get. Okay, and after our mapping we have to write here the ID. Okay, so slash curly braces we have to pass here ID, because we are getting the ID through our URL. Okay, this kind of things through our URL we are getting ID, so we have to also pass here the ID. Okay, in our method we have to write here the path variable int ID. Okay, and we have to simply write here method that is our bit data project also, pd dot get all project data by ID, and we have to simply pass this ID on that method, and we have to call this method in our project DAO. Okay, so, click on a create method in project DAO, and here you can see the method is successfully created here. Now we have to change the return type, that is void, that now is a list, and in that list we have to pass our post project class name, that is post project. Okay, and we have to simply fire here the SQL query. Okay, with the help of ID we can get that data easily. So return t1 dot query, and I have to simply write here the that particular thing, that is select star from post project where ID is equal to single colon double colon plus plus, we have to pass this ID. Okay, then comma, then new row mapper. Okay, we have to wait some time, row mapper, then less than greater than bracket. In that bracket we have to also pass our class name, that is a post project, then brackets, then curly braces, and middle of the curly braces we have to click on enter, then click on a row mapper, add unimplemented method, and simply we have to set and get that particular value so we can get our data. So I'm just creating here our class object, that is post project. So post project p1 is equal to new post project. Okay, and here if you remember that things we already set and get value from here, that is the 1 2 3 4 5. This is total 5 value. I am just checking my database, it is a 5 value or not. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, we have to also show our company name. So I am just copy this entire value from here, and remaining value I am just writing manually. So I just simply copy this value from here, so our time will be saved. So, okay, so p1 dot set ID, second p1 dot set project tt, that is project title. Okay, then cname, which is company name. Okay, we have to before the project title we have to set the project description. So I am just writing after the ID, so p1 dot set project description rs dot get string column index number 2, because project description set on a second position. Then project tt is present. Then project pdf, I think this one is also present, project pdf. Okay, then project skills, this one is also done. Project skill, here you can see project s. Then project budget, so we have to set the budget here, so we can show that budget. So, and company name and email. So after the project skills we have to write our budget. Okay, so p1 dot set project b rs dot get string column index number. After the skills, so I have to check the column index number 1 2 3 4 5 6, so column index number is 6. Okay, and now we have to simply return the p1 from here. Okay, so hope you understand these things. If you didn't understand these things, you can watch this video. Okay, you will get the better idea. Here 22 video you have to must watch. Okay, so I think the all work related our project post project in our post DAO is now completed. Let's move forward our freelancer controller, and we have to take this entire thing into one list. Okay, why it is showing me error? That is the, I have to check. Okay, okay, now it is perfectly working. We have to take this entire thing into one list. So I'm just writing a list post project, and I'm just writing here post project. Okay, project data, I'm just writing a project data of id is equal to this all kind of things. And we already discussed several times, we with the help of model map class we can easily show that data. Okay, so I'm just writing a model map class mm, and model map class has a one method, that is add attribute. So I'm just simply writing a mm dot add attribute, and in this method we have to pass two things. First one is a key, second one is a value. So our value is a project data id, data of id. Okay, simply paste it semicolon, and we have to write here the key. Our key is that project key, project data key. So I simply copy this key from here, and by the help of this kind of key we can easily show that data. Okay, so this is the concept we are working in this video. So we have to come to view and apply project.jsp. Here you can see, and I am just simply remove this all kind of value from here so you can understand it better. So I'm just removing this kind of value from here. Okay, so I just removing this. Also project description, I am removing that also. Then this is as it is, we don't have to do anything with this. Okay, this is the budget, so I have to remove this budget from here. We can also change that. Okay, then this is a job application, so temporarily I'm just comment out these kind of things from here. So this one, then, and I have to simply copy this entire thing, and we have to simply hide these things. So this is the code is now ending here, so I am simply paste this thing here, and we have to also remove these project organization and project s, which is project skills. Okay, so I just simply refresh this page from here and just wait some time, and here we have to show this all kind of things. So I just simply apply here the for each loop. By the help of this loop we can easily show that value. So we have to write here less than bracket, then c colon for each, then items, then double colon, then dollar sign, then curly braces. Then we have to pass our key, that is the, we have to check, copy that, paste the project data key, and then we have to write here as a var. After that we have to write here as a var is equal to e. Okay, and we have to close this for each loop at the bottom of this particular code. Okay, so I'm just taking here as these things. Okay, now we have to show the one by one value here. So in that h1 I have to simply write my project title. So I'm just writing here dollar sign e dot project t. Let's check it out, it should not. So refresh this, and here you can see the project title is coming here. Then we have to show the email of that particular company. So $e.c email. Let's check it out, it is coming or not. Refresh this page, refresh this one more time, and we have to check to our database what is the C email. So C email, we have to check our class name, that is post project, and C email. And we have to one more time, we have to check our DAO also, and we don't set here the C name. I set here the C name, but not setting our email. So p1 dot set C email rs dot get string parametrics number. I have to check my email, that is the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, so this is the 8. And now check it out, now our email is coming here or not. Refresh this page. Okay, here you can see takemahindra@gmail.com, and we have to show the description. Then we have to come to our p tag, and here $e.project d. Refresh this page again. Okay, here you can see we want a project that helpful for farming industries. Then after the description, we have to show the development cost. So here you can see where is the development cost here. That is here you can see development cost. So I'm just writing here $, then e.project b budget. Click on refresh, and here you can see 45,000. Let's check it out in another case, that is music application, 15,000. Okay, then we have to show the project organization and required skills. So we have to come to the bottom side. Here you can see these kind of things, and I'm just writing here $, then e.c name, then $, e.c email, and I check it out now it is coming or not. Click on a refresh button, and it is not coming here. We have to check one more time. We have to simply copy this EC name from here, and let's check it out now it is coming here or not. On a top position, I'm just simply paste here, or here I'm just simply paste these things on here. Click on a refresh. We have to refresh one more time. e.c name, click on a refresh. Here you can see now the company name is coming here, but not coming on the bottom side. So we have to simply do one thing, is that we have to copy this entire code from this div. Here you can see this all kind of code from this kind of div till the for each loop. We have to simply click on a right here the Control X. Then we have to paste this entire code at the above. Here you can see on this tag after the object, we have to simply paste this code and simply click on a refresh. Here you can see now it is coming here, but now it is coming on this side, but that is also okay. We can easily see here the project name, that is the music application, then the company email, then the project description. We can show this entire description on this side. We are on the left side. This is a development cost, this is the project organization, that is mdocs, then required skills. So we have to show here the skills actually. So I'm just writing here e.project s. Click on a refresh, and here you can see the skills is now coming here. So now this is all thing is perfectly working here. We can now easily check it out the other type of project here. So if you want to see the all kind of details about this AI chatbot project, simply click on view and apply, and there will be a loading, and after the loading, here you can see the AI chatbot, that is the mail of that particular company. This is a description, this is development cost, then project organization, that is the company name, then skills. And in our upcoming video we will discuss about how we can apply for this particular project, so our application sent to that particular company. Okay, so this is the concept we will do in our upcoming video. So in this next video I am just discuss about how we can apply for that job. So this is the very interesting thing you will learn. If this is a job posting and if I am really applied this kind of job posting, so I just simply click on apply now, then I simply choose my resume from here, and my application now is sent to that particular company. So this kind of things we will perform in our both things, that is our job as well as the project. Okay, so this upcoming two videos we discuss about how we can apply for project as well as the job. Okay, so in this video we will discuss about how we can show the full project details through the ID of that particular project. Here you can see view and apply project /2, view and apply project /3. So this is the things we are discussed in this video. Okay, so this is all about today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, it's what motivates me lots. Okay, and if you didn't watch our previous series, I request you to please watch this series. You will learn a lot of things from this list. Okay, if you want to source code, you can check out my GitHub repository. Okay, and this is all about today's video. We will see you in next video. Thank you so much for watching this video.